Multi-speed and variable speed blowers add control flexibility, but they also change how you troubleshoot motor and control issues. Variable speed blowers use electronic drives and motor controls that modulate speed through variable frequency or pulse width signals rather than simple on and off power. So start by identifying whether the unit uses multiple fixed windings with a fan speed tap or an electronic motor controller. Read the nameplate and any service labels for model and control type, then locate the control board or drive module and photograph its wiring for reference before touching it. Measure the supply voltage at the incoming terminals and compare it to the motor or drive input ratings, and separately measure the control or signal voltage at the drive control terminals while the system is calling for operation, because signal presence and correct amplitude confirm command integrity. If the blower responds erratically, check ground continuity and look for intermittent connectors, corroded terminals, or heat-damaged wiring that can change resistance under load and confuse electronic controls. Use a true root mean square meter to read motor current and drive output when running, because simple meters can misread the complex waveforms of electronic drives and lead to false assumptions about overloads. When a drive reports fault codes, refer to the manufacturer literature to decode them precisely and follow the recommended reset and test procedures rather than guessing. And if you must replace components, use parts specifically designed for variable speed operation, since swapping a basic control board into an electronic drive system will not work. Keep in mind that some drives require a minimum run condition to self-test, so perform diagnostics at different speed set points to rule out failures that only appear under specific commanded speeds. Common mistakes include treating a variable speed system like a basic single-speed unit and measuring only supply voltage, which misses missing control signals. So always confirm both supply and control voltages and consult the drive documentation. Another frequent issue is replacing parts with generic or single-speed controls, which will not speak the same control language. So always source control modules or boards specified for the exact motor and drive type. Lastly, technicians often overlook intermittent connector and ground problems that present as random faults, so inspect and clean all connectors, secure grounds, and wiggle components while monitoring live readings to reveal hidden intermittent failures. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors for motor and blower work and lets contractors find project leads and post services that match their skills. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share tips, ask questions, and discuss troubleshooting experiences relevant to variable speed blower systems.